out, that leaves your husband or your daughter.
My daughter.
So you're saying those drugs were your daughter?
Yes.
All right. So you're not setting a good example.
Caught behind the wheel of a stolen vehicle with methamphetamine hidden in the seats, Michelle Pettis claims she's just a victim of circumstance. She's looking for deferred adjudication, but Judge Valia Mesa starts digging into the passengers in that U-Haul. Between a husband and a teenage daughter, someone is holding the bag. Watch as this mother makes a choice that leaves the entire courtroom stunned.
All right. The court is calling 2025 CR 007165 State versus Michelle Pettis. Can I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
And Jonathan Alvarado for the defense.
And are you Ms. Pettis?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Pettis, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
Ms. Pettis, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes,
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Pettis, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $1,200 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2026 PF 11357. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Okay. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, any such motions?
I have not, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution, the DOEP course, regular random UAs, MRT, and no contact with U-Haul. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
State offers State's Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
That's okay.
No objections, Judge.
All right. State, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just the follow plea bargain, Judge.
All right, what's her criminal history?
Well, I think the state can probably answer more accurately, Judge, but I know she had one prior case in which she had gotten deferred and received a termination unsatisfactorily.
Yes, Judge, and that was in 2012. She also has a 2004 misdemeanor theft.
All right, thank you.
And the other charge, Judge, that's being taken into consideration is a drug charge. I believe it's a 1 to 4, correct?
Alleged 1 to 4, but
Okay.
labs have not been received yet.
Okay. And that's that 226 PA case number?
Yes, Judge.
I'm sorry, PF. So do you have any children?
Yes.
What are their ages?
My oldest, well, they're all grown,
Okay.
32 to 19.
Do you have grandchildren?
Yes.
What are their ages?
2 and 6 months.
All right. Do you ever babysit?
Yes.
Are you employed?
I do. I work for myself. I
Doing what?
clean homes.
All right. How far did you go in school?
11th?
Okay. Do you have a GED?
No, no.
All right. Why didn't you graduate?
I was right.
Okay. All right. So who is Victoria McCumber to
It's
you?
my 19-year-old daughter.
All right. And who is Alan Soel?
That's my husband.
So all of those people are alleged to have drugs in the car. I mean, in the U-Haul. It says here what I'm reading. And if I'm reading incorrectly, let me know. All right, it says S1 was the driver of the listed vehicle and who I saw operating the vehicle. S1, what is it? So they made the location. Upon searching S2's person, a small bag with a crystal-like substance was located in the pant pockets of S2's person. The crystal-like substance was known to be methamphetamine. Upon searching the vehicle, another baggie with methamphetamine was located on the passenger seat where S2 was sitting. So there's a 19-year-old in the car. You're supposed to be setting an example for the 19-year-old. Your husband, is he the biological father?
No.
All right. So he should be wanting to set an example for your 19-year-old because supposedly he loves you. He's married to you, right? So y'all are not setting an example. So how long have you been using it? And what have you been using?
It wasn't my
So, well, that leaves your husband or your daughter.
my daughter.
So you're saying those drugs were your daughter?
Yes.
All right. So you're not setting a good example. Just 1 second. And is your daughter the one who has children that you babysit, or is it somewhere else? So does your daughter live with you?
No, ma'am. She left the home when she was 15.
Why?
She wanted to be in the streets.
And what did you do to address that?
I reported her missing. I called the schools and let them know that she wasn't going to Southside.
Mhm.
She was doing good till she met her boyfriend. He put her on methamphetamine, and she stayed the night with us, me and my husband, and I was taking her and her boyfriend back to his mom's house, and I got pulled over off of 37 at IHOP, and they found the drugs on
Okay.
U-Haul case.
I'm sorry.
The U-Haul
I just want to make sure because the PF case is a newer case, 2 different incidents. And so I just want to make sure she's not confusing the 2 incidents. So, but she's telling me this is the U-Haul.
The U-Haul incident.
Okay. So the court is going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs, take in consideration 2026 PF 11357. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. You either need to obtain some kind of trade school certification, something where you can support yourself. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to order parenting classes since she says she will babysit her children. And once you complete the parenting classes, 50 of the hours will be deemed satisfied. I'll deduct another 50 hours if you obtain some type of trade school certification
Okay.
or GED. The remaining hours, I'll deduct 1 hour for every sober support meeting completed. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. There's to be no contact with U-Haul. Let's talk about that. So her husband is the person who rented the U-Haul. State, are you all insistent on her having no contact with the U-Haul? From reading everything, it appears that her husband rented it. I don't know if this was a
No, Judge.
scheme. All right. All right. There is going to be the TAP evaluation, out of custody, follow recommendations, proof of employment within 45 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, $1,200 fine, and that will be probated. You're welcome. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And, if you're in contact with your daughter, there are plenty of places that can help her. You need to do your best to just give her the resources. There's lifetime recovery, because otherwise it's not going to end well. And she's going to end up, and this is from my experience working in CPS court, she's going to end up having a baby. That baby's going to end up being positive for drugs. And there's nothing worse. I'm sure there are other worse things, but in my experience, seeing a baby go through withdrawals because their mom used drugs, it's very bad, because the children just cry incessantly and they don't know that they're going through withdrawal. So it's very difficult. So stress that to her.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Good luck to you.
Michelle Pettis walked away with 3 years of probation, but she carries the weight of a fractured family. The judge's warning about the cycle of addiction and CPS remains a haunting reminder of what's at stake. Was the judge too soft on a mother who blamed her own child for her crimes? Let us know in the comments.